Hi there, I am Omar, and I've got something really exciting to share with you. Ever dream of being a millionaire? You are in the right place. Our motto here is Millionaire in Training, because we want you to join us in this amazing journey. Let me tell you about what I call your 30 golden years. You see, most of us start really understanding ourselves in our 30s. And by the time we hit our 60s, we're thinking about retirement. So what you do with your money now makes a big difference in how comfy or tough your life might be later on. Do you dream of your family vacation? Maybe you want to help your partner retire early or live a worry-free life like mine. It's all possible. But did you know a good retirement can cost more than $1 million? Sadly, a lot of people don't save enough. But it's never too late to start. And if you're thinking, I can't save money, let me tell you, I've been there. I grew up with nothing, went hungry as a kid, worked 2 jobs, and barely slept just to feed my family. That's why I started this channel, not just to tell you it's possible, but to show you how to become a millionaire. You can watch all my free videos, which will help you slowly but surely, or join my course and community for faster results. We'll support each other, learn to stop wasting money, and focus on making more and investing wisely. Click the link below and grab the 50% off coupons, but hurry, it's only for the first 500 people. Why am I doing this? You see, I had a big dream to train 1 million people to be millionaires. Together, we can tackle huge problems like child sex trafficking, just like how polio was eradicated through the teamwork and dedication between Rotary and Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. So join me. Let's make your millionaire dream come true and make the world a better place, one step at a time. Hit that subscribe button now so we can reach even more people and make our community bigger. Let us know in the comments below what you want to see next, and we can't wait to have more fun with you in our next video.